Alright, so for this adventure, we're in Salt Lake City, starting off with a double rainbow. The next day, I headed up to Guardsman Pass and checked out the fall colors. It's the tail end of the season, and a lot of the trees were already missing their leaves, but still got some good colors in there. After this super peaceful hike, I ended up going for a trail run and then checked out downtown a little bit more, saw some insane fighter jets, and put together a little edit.
You can have whatever you like. You can have whatever you like. When the beat goes off.
Alright, so I am driving up to Guardsman Pass in Salt Lake City, Utah, and there's a huge geomagnetic storm which may or may not be visible from here. So I'm gonna drive up into the mountains up to Guardsman Pass and see if I can catch a picture of the northern lights. But yeah, I might not be able to see them at all, so this is a good representation of what you could see with the naked eye, which is not much, but I took this insane time lapse. That was so awesome. I could really only see them with my camera. With the naked eye, it was really too dim, but it was incredible. Then I went for one more hike to enjoy the fall colors and wrapped it up with a sunset. So that's it for this adventure, and stay tuned for the next one.